I want to thank everybody for turning out, because just as excited as I am about our 5th splash pad opening, I can tell all of you are too, and you came dressed and ready to splash.
And so because you all voted yes on Proposition 407, we are seeing millions and millions of dollars invested in our Parks and Recreation programming.
If you look around this park, we did the Kaboom Playground. We did the turf improvement project on the baseball fields. We added a soccer field. We redid the pickleball courts. We've done all that in the last 3 years in this park.
I believe that parks and connectivity have to do with our civic health, not only our physical health, but our mental health and spiritual health. It's been said that the park is the lung of the city, and I believe in that.
It's amazing. It's got water guns, or what they're called water cannons, and it's got water falling from little florets, and the kids get to really just run around and splash together. It's an awesome experience.
What's your favorite part about it? The dumpy buckets. I think it's like the squirt guns, because you would really squirt people. The little bucket that came down on you. I just said, ah! Because it was so much fun. When you put it on your back, it kind of gives you a massage.
So our splash pads are free access. We open up traditionally on April 1st and we run through the summer season. It's a great opportunity for a family to come, for all ages, to be able to cool off. You don't have to be able to swim to enjoy a splash pad.
I think it's kind of cool and it's awesome because there's so many waters and it's super fun. I love the park.
I think all the squeals of delight and happy faces that I see, I can tell that we've hit a home run.
It was the most amazing place on earth.